Welcome to our educational series on smart nutrition for men over 60, where we explore the vital connection between your diet and hormonal health. As men age, particularly past 60, hormonal balance becomes increasingly crucial for overall well-being, impacting everything from energy levels to cognitive function. Today, we'll delve into how specific foods can either support or disrupt this delicate balance, focusing on key nutrients and their roles. One critical aspect is the food-hormone connection, where what you eat directly influences hormone production and regulation. For instance, certain nutrients are essential for testosterone synthesis, while others can help manage estrogen levels, which can become disproportionate with age. Mineral absorption is another vital area, with zinc and magnesium standing out as particularly important for men over 60. Zinc plays a crucial role in testosterone production and immune function, and its deficiency is common in older adults. Magnesium, on the other hand, supports muscle function, nerve health, and blood sugar control, all of which are vital for aging men. Ensuring adequate intake of these minerals through diet or supplementation can significantly impact hormonal health and overall vitality. Inflammation is a silent enemy that can wreak havoc on your hormones and accelerate aging. Chronic inflammation can disrupt endocrine function, leading to imbalances in hormones like cortisol and testosterone. Foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds are your best defense. Consider incorporating foods like beets, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish and flax seeds also play a crucial role in reducing systemic inflammation. Adopting healthy eating habits is not just about avoiding bad foods, it's about embracing nutrient-dense options that support your body's natural processes. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and a wide array of fruits and vegetables. Regular hydration and mindful eating practices also contribute significantly to hormonal balance and overall health. By making informed dietary choices, men over 60 can proactively manage their hormonal health, enhance vitality, and improve their quality of life. Stay tuned for the next segment in our series, where we will explore more specific strategies for optimizing your nutrition.
Welcome back. In this segment, we'll go deeper into how you can build a meal plan that supports circulation, hormone balance, and vitality without restricting yourself or fearing any specific food. Here are some of the best vegetables that work with your body, not against it. Beets rich in natural nitrates that boost nitric oxide and circulation. Spinach provides magnesium, folate, and chlorophyll for cell energy. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts support liver detox and help metabolize estrogen properly. Carrots and red peppers full of carotenoids that protect the prostate and blood vessels. Garlic and onions contain sulfur compounds that improve nitric oxide and testosterone synergy. These foods promote what we call metabolic balance. They help hormones communicate clearly throughout your system. Healthy fats are crucial for testosterone synthesis. Include moderate amounts of olive oil, avocados, nuts, especially Brazil nuts and almonds. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines. Combine these with clean proteins such as eggs, lean meats, or plant-based proteins like lentils and quinoa. This mix provides the amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle and support hormone function. We've discussed hydration before, but for men over 60, the balance between water and minerals becomes even more essential. Without electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your circulation weakens and fatigue increases. You can maintain this balance by adding a pinch of natural mineral salt to your morning water. Coconut water post-workout. Leafy greens for daily potassium intake. This gentle mineral balance keeps your body hydrated at the cellular level, not just superficially. Food alone can't carry your entire wellness journey. How you breathe, move, and rest plays an equal role. Simple daily habits, like walking after meals, practicing slow breathing, or doing light stretching, help regulate insulin and cortisol, two hormones that directly influence testosterone levels. When stress goes down, circulation improves. When circulation improves, vitality returns. Here's a challenge to start today. For 30 days, focus on these three principles: reduce inflammation, cut back on fried or overly processed foods, rebuild minerals, include one mineral rich food per meal, recharge circulation, drink water with minerals, and do deep breathing each day. Track your energy, mood, and recovery. Most men begin to notice real improvements in 2 to 3 weeks: more energy, better sleep, sharper focus, and a sense of renewed drive. Remember, aging doesn't mean decline, it means adjusting your habits to match your body's needs. When you give your body the right nutrients, it rewards you with energy, confidence, and performance that feels decades younger. So stay hydrated, eat smart, move daily, and nourish your body with purpose. Your vitality isn't lost, it's waiting to be reactivated.